it's me, Adam. I've done this video about 2 times already. One was video call, interrupt. I'm pretty sure you all got that call where your boss comes in, just like, can't answer, and then you're just like, sir, we want to tell you that you were going to get a promotion, but maybe not, since he's already called. No! So yeah, basically something like that. So we ignored all cars. Got heavy jiggies today, you know what I mean. So we're going to be making lava lamp. Point taken. You need a vase. You need a glass vase. So I recommend. I don't really know what to recommend. Just get a glass vase, I guess, but don't get too small. Don't get too wide. Just get a medium one. I suggest. You're gonna need a couple food coloring, some painkillers to make the pain of not doing this correctly go away, and some water, and we're gonna forget vegetable oil. The vegetables that give oil, basically like cow's skim milk. So first, what you're going to do, you're going to put the vegetable oil in the glass vase, but you don't want to pour that much, like a little bit. Also, I don't know how much all of this was spent, so I'm going to ask my mom a real question before we go. But how much did the vegetable oil cost?
$5.
Yeah? No. Okay. And we're going to get some water here. Maybe not that much. Where last time it almost exploded. Oh, shit, I'm not trained. I'm not trained. A little bit more. And so this, I guess you could call lava lamp. I mean, it's like sanitize, sorry, that's a jiggy. Like sanitizer. So you can put this in, just like, hey, hey, Miss Teacher, what? Want some soap? Oh, sure. Oh my God, what is it? Oh my, hey, is that vegetable? Oh, yum, yum, yum. So yeah. So you can see this part is where the basically vegetable oil here, water there, and here's a quick explanation what happened. Water was like this. Sir, we need to get down to the bottom. Why? Because I don't really know why. Let's just go to the bottom. So they got some air nukes and destroyed everything in their path. And that's how they got to the bottom. Don't ask me how. I'm gonna get some green. Holy shoot, that's
too much, Adam. That's too much.
I know. I'll shoot. Okay, so yeah, that's green for you if you know what I mean. Okay, so that's green, a little too much, if you know what I'm saying. So we're going to get red now. And there's my cat Shobai and Shohei. Oh, by the way, next video you're going to see them fighting, okay, to the death. Yeah, you not see that? Yeah. And you know, while we're waiting, you can watch them. Be one. They're in camera, someone else is going to take a while. As you can now see them, they're actually getting more along. Hey! Yeah, never mind. Not getting along with me though. Don't know why. Oh shoot, here it comes. We're just going to fast forward this, if you know what I mean. Just fast forward it. Okay, you know what? Don't fast forward. Do I have permission to use my finger with this?
Absolutely not.
Please,
change it to different color.
Please,
different color.
please. I'm going to do it all. Get in.
Got some, right? Okay.
Get in. Okay, that's good enough. Actually, you know what? That's not good enough. I need some more.
Okay, that's good, Adam.
Okay, yeah, that's good enough for now. There's a lot of green there. Also, you see the color tries to leave, but the oil won't. Okay, so we got these two. I'm going to add some yellow mates. Sorry, it was a red. Sorry, I'll be back. Just gonna wait a little bit on this one. Get in. Now. I think that's good enough. This is probably going to end well when we try to do this again. I don't know why, I just have a feeling. Also, by the way, always have more water than you need so you can wash it. Or you can just wear gloves that get stained. Holy shoot, Mom, you filled this up with hot water? Really? Ah! Shelby, this was your fault. Oh, never mind. Shelby, what are you doing? Dad off. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this hat, it's because I could not find a mask to cover my face, my ugly face. So yeah. Also, hit the like button. Oh no! Actually, hit the like button. If you think this is going to fail, I'm going to do this a second time. If it does, I'm going to postpone another one. Actually, no. If I postpone another one, then you guys have to all like it. Any minute. Oh, any minute.
Oh, you.
Whoops. That's a lot of blue. And that's a lot of color we wasted. Mom, we need to get more blue. And now, ladies, gentlemen, and gentle ladies, and blah, blah, blah. It's now time for the grand finale. Did you not? If you saw the water, then yeah. Now we're going to use the painkiller to make all the things that make this thing go wrong go away. Oh, there are two in these. So what we're going to do is we're going to break one, and I need my mom's permission. Hey Mom, can we break another one? There's another one.
We'll see how it goes.
Okay. And I'm just gonna 1, 2. Oh shoot! I messed this thing up. Oh no! It's good. Actually, this is going very wrong. You know what? We're out of just my pour everything.